Galing nga ako doon. Kung may kung mayroong lilipad na aeroplano, gusto ko rin magpunta kasi alam nyo, when I went there, I noticed some parang deficiency sa infrastructure, especially yung kanilang education system. Ano? May elementary, walang high school. So, when I went back to Manila, tama-tama budget deliberation, nag-augment ako ng budget for additional facilities. Tapos mag-integrate sila, maggawa sila para magkaroon ng high school. And I think DepEd acted appropriately. Ngayon meron ng high school doon. Kasi mga estudyante ron, pagkatapos sa elementary, saan pupunta? So putol yung kanila education. At least now, as I understand, as we speak, meron na silang high school. Hindi ko namin yung sinabi niya kasi. Kung yayayain niya ako, basta walang session. Kasi ayoko ma-absent eh. Pagka walang session, walang trabaho sa Senate, I'm willing to join. By the way, Pag-asa is the only inhabited barangay. It's an island inhabited by, at the time, nasa mga 300 Filipinos. Ngayon yata nasa 400, 500. So, na-establish na natin yung ating occupation. At bumoboto mga tao doon. May mga students, may mga pupils doon. So, I think it's incumbent upon us, especially the armed forces, to protect and defend Pag-asa from either intrusion or, and worst scenario, yung invasion.